Sanibona bafethu, uvane lo. So kuney'ndaba-ke ey'phumile namhlanje regarding iMamelodi Sundowns. So kune-member ye-technical team yeMamelodi Sundowns esuspendiwe namhlanje. Le technical team le kade yasebenza ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yasebenza nocoach abahlukahlukene, okubalwa uPitso Mosimane, okubalwa uManqoba Mnqithi, okubalwa bona oRulani Mokwena. Le member le kade yaba khona kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Kuthiwa le member le ibilika ama-tactics nama information iMamelodi Sundowns. Kahle kahle kuthiwa ibisolwa, kunama allegations surrounding yona, kuthiwa ibikhipha umthetho ishare ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala kanjani kuma games alandelayo. Remember ke iMamelodi Sundowns njoba iyodlala umdlalo wayo wokugcina iyodlala against iTeam kaRulani okuyi-MC Alger. Yabo, njoba iyodlala nje against iMC Alger, lento le bekuyinto ezoyibulala kakhulu iMamelodi Sundowns ukube lo muntu laba bamkhiphanga. Yabo, njoba lo muntu lo bemkhiphe namhlanje benze okuhle kakhulu because kuzoshintshwa zonke izinto, kuzoshintshwa indlela ezodlala ngakhona iMamelodi Sundowns, kuzoshintshwa even indlela abazoyi-approacha ngakhona igame. Remember bayodlala noRulani. I'm not saying uRulani is part of lento le. I'm not saying uRulani uyena ohlohlele umuntu lokuthi amlikele information. But ke all I'm saying is that uMiguel Cardoso uma engase ashawe iMC Alger ngomgqibelo, uma ngase ashawe nje iMC Alger kule weekend esiyakuyona, uRulani uzowenza axoshwe uMiguel Cardoso. The reason why ezoxoshwa it's because isixoshiwe vele i-technical team. Imember ye-technical team isixoshiwe vele ebisola ngokuthi iyona ibilika information. Mexoshwa ke loya muntu loya, wena uqhubeka ushawe nawe ngeweekend, I think it's fair ukuthi axoshwe naye because remember phela mebeshawa kule weekend baphuma kwi-Champions League. Njoba bezophuma nje kwi-Champions League kumele ngempela enze sure ukuthi uyakunqanda lokho akwenzeki, because once kwenzeka iMamelodi Sundowns inelungelo lokuthi imxoshe. But ke kukuyona iSundowns kumele ngabe ade amxoshe lo coach lo, but ke it seems like bayamthemba, it seems like uyakwazi ukuthi abasebenzele. But ke wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ukuthi ingabe kufena yini ukuthi basuspende leya technical member leya ekuthiwa ibilika information for other teams. Angazi makuyiqiniso noma kuyimanga yini, but ke ngokwami I don't think it's fair ukuthi bahambise i-technical member, bekumele bahambise nayo coach. Yabo, noma mhlawumbe balinde ukuze kufike yona le game le ye-MC Alger, mase ke behamba bonke uma bengayiwini game. These are just based allegations. These are just allegations. Angenako asikho isisindo kulama allegations anikezwe lo ababa lo, but ke akusenani. Asibone ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izokwenza njani. Wena ngokwakho ungitshela, do you think iMamelodi Sundowns izokwazi ukuthi qualify iye kuma knockout stages? Yabo, this is a huge deal for iMamelodi Sundowns. Ayikaze ibe kule situation ever since they won i-CAF Champions League. iMamelodi Sundowns ibiyilo team leyo ebeyitop ama group, because wa top ama group ibikwazi ukuthi qualify without fighting. Yabo, without fighting, without going to the last game. Ibiya kwi last game vele already seconfirm ukuthi Sundowns isiqualifyelwe for ama knockout run.